Graphic design is communicating or selling an idea through visuals. Graphic design is all around us. It is an integral part of our daily life. We are touched by design all the time, from the time we wake up till we sleep. But do we ever wonder who designs these things? It is the graphic designer who is responsible for creating these interesting forms of visual communication.
A graphic designer basically works with image and typography. So he either creates from scratch or he accentuates the appearance of a drawn, painted or computer-generated image.
With our course, designers get to master a range of skills and concepts and specialize in an area of their choosing.
Education in ICAD's graphic design course allows students to work in various fields of graphic design such as digital and multimedia design, kinetic typography and magazine design.
All students, however, cover the fundamentals of all forms of graphic design.
While graphic design by itself is a global phenomenon, what sets one design apart from another is the fusion of cultural elements and one's own personal style with generic design principles.
Students are taught to scrutinize the various principles of design, form, image, color, type, and looking into the relationship of these and trying to find a repetition or rhythm in what they see, if any. They are taught to look at ideas from different points of view and come up with a unique approach that goes beyond the ordinary.
It is this perspective that an internationally accredited course from Bayard, UK is specially helpful, as students are trained in world-class curriculum and design principles, all the while staying close to their cultural roots. A multipolar world means a multipolar approach to design too.
The faculties are very supportive and at no point of time you feel that the course is overwhelming. Even when we are not in class, we are given a number of design problems to solve. They can be simple assignments such as designing posters for college events, to intensive work such as designing elements for in-house film productions and ad campaigns.
As a graphic designing student, we get called and consulted and work for various departments in the college. We design for fashion, advertising students and filmmakers. This environment goes a long way in helping us to understand the real-time working of an industry.
At the end of the course, students are able to find solutions to design and communication problems. Then they develop expertise to get a job done technically.
For instance, how to create the mechanicals of publication design or how to get a magazine printed. Ultimately, they develop a vocabulary for technical design.
Indian conglomerates like Reliance, Tata, Wipro, Aditya Birla Group has highly diversified business interests spanning multiple sectors and as a result have diverse design needs too. All need attractive design and packaging to be successfully marketable. Apart from the renowned design houses such as Rayan Keshwan, EDM Design, Design Temple, who are pioneers in Indian film design industry, other corporate houses are also major recruiters of graphic design students.
The various forms of typography that you see in film credits, TV ads, magazines and books are all done by graphic designers. So the scope of this field is very vast considering the melting of marketing boundaries with the advent of online media.
Design is here to stay. The avenue for graphic design students is endless and an exciting career option.